looks so goofy. Welcome back, little lambs. Today we're making Aaru mixed rice from the Sumeru region in Genshin Impact. I'll be making all dishes in Genshin region by region, starting with Sumeru this year. So, if you love this stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or check out my Twitch. Let's get into it. Okay, so we can see from the picture that the dish uses macaroni pasta with rice? The fuck? Anyone who mixes pasta with rice is a fucking psychopath, and they shouldn't cook. Nay, they shouldn't even enter the kitchen. So, instead of macaroni pasta, I figured it made more sense to use cashews, since they have a similar sort of look and people have used nuts in stir fry before. Therefore, this is the way to go. We're gonna be using some chickpeas for our source of protein, and we'll have our diced tomatoes as the main base of the sauce. As you can see, they're no longer French now, they're Italian. For spice, we'll be adding bay leaf to simmer and of course some curry powder. Let's get cooking! First, we're gonna dump all our diced tomatoes into the pan. Make sure you add a little bit of water into the can, swirl it around, and just add in the extra liquid. Don't waste your food. We're gonna grab our bay leaf and we're just gonna pop... What? Continuing on, immerse the leaves in the sauce and add in 1.5 teaspoons of curry powder. Just a little spicy, like my taste in men. Chuck in our chickpeas and mix. I forgot to add in onion earlier, so we're doing it now. Don't be like me, do it at the beginning. Always start with onions, because that's how we started life. In tears. Okay, onto the cashews. As you can see, they do look like macaroni. So based off of the picture, we're gonna incorporate some of these chickpeas, so fry them to evaporate that water. We don't want them wet, we want them drier than your DMs. Add in your cashews and toast them. I'm turning off the heat on my stove because my stove tends to run a little hot, so I'll end up with burnt nuts, not toasted. And no one likes their nuts burnt. And done. Look at that spread. For plating, we want the rice fluffy, so we're going to mold it into a floof mountain, like so. Grab your toasted nuts and encircle the rice. Add in our sauce carefully. Be generous with it, but make sure it doesn't cover up the rice entirely. We still want to see that peak of white. I just added a bay leaf for garnish, and there you go. You want some?